Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about site-specific design. What do I mean by this? Well, not every property you're going to see or purchase will be flat. There's definitely topography going on in a lot of land, and some people get scared or don't like the idea of working with it. And a lot of people think you have to flatten it out, create these massive retaining walls to make everything leveled. But I'm here to tell you that you can actually make it work for you, and you can create beautiful spaces with the topography that will benefit you overall. For instance, if you have a property where the front area is higher and then your backyard kind of dips down low, it's a great opportunity to have a walkout basement. This allows you to have French doors there, finished basement, and like from the front, it might look like a small, quaint home that likely will fit the area, or if it needs to be bigger to fit the area, we can do that. But then in the back, you have much more surface in the facade to bring light in and really create a beautiful space in the back. And you can have a deck that kind of cantilevers over the property and so forth. You see this a lot if you're by the coast or around like a very big topography. Out here in Long Island, a lot of areas are pretty flat, but there are areas that are quite hilly. So I live in Glen Cove. Next to us is Sea Cliff. It's a very topographical area, and there's a lot of houses that are on a cliff, and a lot of people don't like that. But it can be beautiful for scenery, and also it's great real estate to work with how to make the building look. So when you're thinking about buying a property, don't be discouraged if you find something that's not to your liking. Like, you can make it work. And it's all about discussing it with me or any designer of what's the possibilities. Like, even how you can insert a pool so it can look like an infinity pool, but it's a regular walkout from the front, or anything in relation to that. Like, even building the house into a mountain would be wonderful. Or we can elevate it. Again, site specific. If you're by the water and you are in a floodplain, we're of course going to elevate it, but we create something beautiful for that space below can become something you can use or for your kids to use. So at the end of the day, topography, being close to the water, or other like natural elements will, no matter what, affect your property, but it can be designed in such a way to make it your own and end up becoming a great investment for you at the end of the day. Hope this was useful. And remember, when you're looking for properties, remember to reach out to Dream Select Realty. And I am here for you if you have any questions of what could be done within those properties. And then we can design from there.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.